Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 28th of August, that is the second day of Ganesh Chaturthi, and I'm going to be visiting Townside, the place where I was born and brought up, and I'm going to be taking you along. It's like an every year ritual that I visit there for Ganesh Chaturthi either on the first or the second day. And yeah, today I'm really excited, and let's see what adventure keeps up for me. I'm also going to be catching up with my sister, so I'm going to see how that goes. The only thing that's different this time is I'm going to be holding a camera, and I really hope I give complete justice to this. I mean, if this vlog goes up, which means I was successfully able to capture bits and pieces or part of my day today. So yeah, keep on watching, and yeah, let's go. So this is my outfit, and let's get changed and get ready. So I've applied my moisturizer and the lip balm, and I'm carrying everything along with my mirror and all the makeup products inside. I'm gonna sit अच्छी सी chill में. Let's go.
I'm going to place funny. So this is the mirror. I'm going to place it over here besides me, and let's do it. Guys, you won't believe, but I was literally doing this exact same thing, getting ready to head outdoors for visiting the Ganpati mandals in this exact same place, and doing my makeup and talking in front of the camera. And I remember I so badly wanted to post that video for the longest time. I also edited it, and I've just kept it in the phone, okay, like a showpiece. I have kept it, and I still remember it's an 8-minute video. Me reminded to that time. Now I want to show you while I'm wearing my favorite lip combo. So that's a lip pencil. It's a dark brown lip pencil, and this is a cool brown, okay. And then I have a lipstick in the shade nude pink. So together this gives a very nice shade, okay. And I love this combination. So you'll see how that turns out. Applying this on top of it, and it's beautiful. This is the most favorite lip combination. So with that, we almost finished the makeup. I just have mascara to be worn. Let's complete it. So I'm done with the makeup. As you can see, a lot of highlighter also is happening. Looks fine, looks good. Now I'm going to top that off with a bindi. I'm going to wear some accessories, take my dupatta, and I am off to go. This is my complete outfit, guys, and have also packed my little bag. That's the only thing that was left, and I am done with everything else. I just have to leave. I think in the next 10 to 15 minutes I should make a move. So I'll catch up with you guys in some time. Bye bye. Say hi. 4920.
Now look at that. Whenever I'm traveling to Townside and I pass by the airport area, I'm always so excited to see the view of the aircraft passing by, because that's what my connection is all about. But sometimes I'm lucky enough to catch a view of it, and sometimes not. I'm watching the clouds above. The clouds are all caught up together, and it's like so dark. I can feel the turbulence here looking at the clouds. I think it's gonna take another 30 minutes for me to reach, and yeah, that's the update for now. Finally I have reached, and see who I am with. Yuganti, that's my sister. Introduce yourself.
I am Yuganti, her sister.
Gen Z sister, and you'll see a lot of Gen Z versus millennial today. Hopefully. It is raining. Now we are headed towards Boivada ka Raja. And she's trying to set her hair.
My hair look really frizzy today. Is in pieces, you can say, not frizzy.
It is in pieces.
Frizzy कैसे
Oh god, it's insane in town side. It is so difficult to get a cab. It's been legit 20 minutes that we are standing in the rains with our umbrellas on and we are trying to. It's not even getting booked. They're not even. They stop and they be like, I'll be.
Make faces.
Yeah, I'll tell them I want to go here. Here? Are you crazy? That is their expression. Are you crazy that you want to go here? No way.
go to a legit place?
Yeah. And then they say that we have it's jam.
So Didi said, do you want bread?
I swear he is, because legit 5 minutes back I asked God to please, we should get a cab as early as we can, and this happened. Thank you चाचा. हम 25 मिनट से खड़े हैं.
So I have come to this place finally, and I have met my childhood buddy, my best buddy of childhood. There she is. Hello, Mamta. Hi. Hello, everyone. The atmosphere here looks so good, and I'll give the later update in a while.
Hello, you're talking to two psychologists. This is Yuganti, this is Aparna. Peace to the world.
Chona, I don't eat actually, but I'll try.
Okay. I'm going to have the moda. A video is on, and
And you're spilling the tea for the vlog.
yeah. So now it's time to head back home. This is Yuganti signing off now because she'll be
Ciao.
off. Bye byes. And then it's going to be me and mom carrying forward the journey. So it's been a really nice evening, and I always wait for evenings like this during Ganesh Chaturthi, especially when I visit town side. I mean, my relatives, my old chuddy buddies, and a lot of people.
Experience of taxis.
Hell of an experience
Yeah.
for getting taxis. It is so damn difficult to catch one taxi. Plus, it's raining.
And
to go
second, they act as if, oh my god,
Yeah.
where did the crowd come from?
Why?
Why are you all going to Bakri Adda? You idiot! Just go home. Alone. Yeah, मैं नहीं चलूँगा.
छोड़ दो
चल के
मुझे.
जाओ.
Okay, skibidi.
No context.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. See you.
So, I'm back home. Just 10 to 15 minutes back I have come home. I got changed and now it's time to get the makeup off, so let's do that. I mentioned earlier that this is the time, one of the times of the year which I really enjoy a lot, especially when I have to visit Townside. And so like Townside is really very close to my heart. So by town I mean, if you're from Mumbai, if anywhere between Churchgate to Dadar, like I'm quite connected to many areas over there. I have lived, although I've lived in Baikala for um, almost like 23 years of my life. I'm a little tired. I'm just going to have some light food, then I will just, इतना जल्दी तो नींद आता नहीं है मुझे. I mean, what do you call that? Early sleeper, if that's a term. I don't know. I mean, my brain's not braining right now. Okay then, thank you so much if you're here till the end. Thanks a lot for watching and I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying to make a little progress each time with the vlogging thing, because the only problem that comes in here is the continuity. Okay, anyhow, I will see you guys in my next video, and you guys stay safe and stay cool, because that's what my father asked me to say in my next videos. Here we go. Take care, you guys. Love you.